When it comes to making a great first impression, the exterior of your home plays a pivotal role. One often overlooked yet highly impactful feature is the front door. If you're looking to elevate your home's curb appeal in Brandon, replacing your door can make a significant difference. Not only does it improve the aesthetic appeal, but it also boosts security, energy efficiency, and overall property value. Here's how door replacement can enhance your home's curb appeal in Brandon. Creating a warm welcome. The front door serves as the gateway to your home. It sets the tone for what guests can expect inside. In Brandon, where the warm, welcoming atmosphere of neighborhoods is cherished, a beautiful, well-maintained door can transform the entire look of your home. Whether you're opting for a traditional wooden door, a sleek modern design, or something more rustic, a new front door can immediately enhance your home's appearance. Consider styles that complement the architectural design of your home. For example, a classic oak door might suit a charming, traditional house, while a glass-paneled, steel door could be the perfect choice for a modern or minimalist exterior. The possibilities are endless, and with the wide variety of styles available, it's easy to find a door that reflects your personal taste while boosting your home's curb appeal. Improving energy efficiency. In Brandon's fluctuating weather, from hot summer days to chilly winters, your front door can have a big impact on your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those that are poorly sealed, can let air leak in and out, driving up heating and cooling costs. By replacing an old door with an energy-efficient model, you can significantly reduce energy loss. Many modern doors are designed with insulation materials and weather stripping to help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cozy in winter and cool in summer. An energy-efficient door doesn't just lower your utility bills, it also contributes to a more sustainable home. As residents in Brandon become more conscious of their environmental footprint, opting for energy-efficient door replacement can help you reduce your home's energy consumption and lessen your environmental impact. Enhancing home security. A new front door can also offer improved security features. Many modern doors are made from stronger materials, such as solid wood or fiberglass, providing greater protection against intruders. Additionally, newer doors often come equipped with better locking mechanisms and security features, which can give you peace of mind knowing your home is secure. In a neighborhood like Brandon, where residents value safety and community, having a sturdy and secure front door can not only protect your home but also enhance the overall security of the neighborhood. A solid, well-built door sends a message that you're serious about keeping your home safe. Increasing property value. If you're planning to sell your home in Brandon, replacing the front door is an affordable and effective way to boost your home's market value. A beautiful, high-quality door creates a positive first impression for potential buyers. It can also increase your home's perceived value, making it more likely to stand out in a competitive real estate market. Buyers often look for homes that are move-in ready, and a freshly replaced door is a small but impactful feature that can sway a potential buyer's decision. It shows that you've invested in maintaining and improving your home, which can be a key selling point. Improved durability and maintenance. Older doors can be prone to wear and tear, which can result in costly repairs over time. Cracks, peeling paint, and rust can detract from your home's overall appearance. Replacing an old door with a new one made from durable materials can save you money on future repairs and maintenance. Modern doors are built to withstand the elements, especially in Brandon's humid climate. Choosing materials that are resistant to moisture, rust, and warping will ensure your door remains looking fresh and functional for years to come. Aesthetic appeal and personalization. A new door offers the perfect opportunity to express your style and personality. Whether you want a bold color, intricate glass panels, or a more minimalist design, the options for customization are endless. Personalized details such as unique hardware, decorative finishes, and custom colors can give your home a distinctive look that stands out from the crowd. The right door can tie together the other elements of your home's exterior, creating a cohesive and attractive look. In Brandon's diverse communities, a custom front door can be a perfect way to reflect the character of your home while adding to the charm of the neighborhood. Conclusion. In Brandon, where neighborhood charm and curb appeal are important, a door replacement is one of the most impactful and cost-effective ways to elevate your home's exterior. From enhancing your home's aesthetic to improving energy efficiency, security, and overall value, the benefits of a new front door are clear. So, whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or sell it soon, upgrading your front door is a smart investment that will pay off in many ways.